Hi, it's been a while since I made video for myself. And right now, I'm here again. Wala naman kasi akong ibang makakausap about my problem. And ito lang talaga yung coping mechanism ko kapag when I feel so anxious, kapag sobrang lungkot ko and my heart feels so heavy. I just recorded myself while I'm talking. I don't know where to start, but it really hurts. Sobrang bigat niya sa pakiramdam. Hindi ko mapaliwanag yung sakit, but my chest feels so heavy. And para akong masusuka, sobrang I lost my appetite to eat. I can't sleep. And I don't know what to do, how to start again. Minsan, feeling ko questionable sa sarili ko kung worth it ba akong tao. Bakit every time na parang they will make a decision for them, parang it's easy for them na itapon ka na lang bigla, iwanan ka na lang bigla, bitawan ka na lang out of nowhere. Na alam mo sa sarili mo, you're doing good, you're trying your best para mahalin sila. And you give your all. Then suddenly, in one snap, they will throw you na parang garbage. It's so sad kasi yung akala mong tao na nakilala mo is nice pala. I thought he's good, he's decent, but there's a lot of things na ginagawa niya behind my back na wala akong idea. And hindi ko maintindihan how, why. Ang daming tanong sa isip ko na hindi ko kayang sagutin ngayon. Because sobrang bigat nung nararamdaman ko today. And naaawa ko sa sarili ko. Hindi ko alam paano ako magsisimula ulit. Last year, sabi ko kay Lord, kahit wala munang dumating, Lord, basta maging okay ako, basta magkaroon ako ng peace of mind, bumawi ako sa sarili ko. Pero hindi mo naman din kasi masasabi, may mga unexpected person na darating sa buhay mo na you will feel the love. Pero parang it never lasts. Once na they decided to go, they will go. My heart feels so heavy today. Never naman ako nagsabi sa family and never ako nagsabi sa mga friends. Kasi alam ko there's a lot of problems na rin na nangyayari sa kanila. Ayoko nang dumagdag pa emotionally. That's why I keep it on myself. Lahat ng nararamdaman ko. Kaya nagre-record na lang ako to divert my feeling because it's so heavy. It's really hard to breathe right now. Super sakit ng dibdib ko. Di ko alam kung worth it ba talaga akong mahalin. Bakit palagi na lang akong naiiwan? Ang daming tanong sa isip ko na lovable ba talaga ako? Pero maybe it's another lesson for me. Kasi I'm tired. I'm tired of not being enough. Lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko na I'm trying my best. Ginagawa ko naman. Bakit? Bakit laging kulang? Bakit lagi akong naiiwan? Parang sila na lang lagi yung may option. Ako yung wala. Pero I know God is with me. Naniniwala ako dun. Sobrang sakit lang na ganito yung nararamdaman ko ulit ngayon. I know, magiging okay din ako. Pero it takes time. Madami na naman akong kailangan gawin sa sarili ko para maging okay ako. Iniwala ako nun. I'm still hoping for the best. Pero right now, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start my life. I don't know how can I reset my life. Because there's a lot of things na natakbo sa isip ko ngayon. I hope God can heal me. I know He will. Ako magiging okay din ako. Jesus name. Let me feel the pain, Lord. Ang bigat na. Bigat-bigat ka na. I'll be okay. Magiging okay din ang lahat. In the right time. Alam mo, hindi ako papabayaan ng Lord. He always there for me. Kahit hindi nararamdaman ko. Even if I'm happy. Even if I'm sad. He always there for me. Please redeem me, Lord. Redeem me.